Fuel filter replacement in a Toyota Yaris. The first thing we do, this is a 2014 model, the first thing we do is pop up the seats out of the way. Held in by a clip there and another clip over there. Once you have the seat out of the way, you're going to want to take this top cover off completely. So I'm going to lift that up with a pry bar here. To remove that clip, you just push back and pull it up, and that takes that out of the way. You're going to be removing these hoses here, and then this cap will be getting turned anti-clockwise. Always remember which location the hoses go in case they're similar diameters and can reach in a couple of different locations. So what I tend to do is mark them just to be safe. That clip spreads, pushes, pulls back. That's just a pinch clip, and we pull that away. And essentially I'm going to remove all of these, and I'm going to be taking the cap off then. So the pipes are off now. I've got my fuel filter in-tank removal tool here, and it's all set up on the edges. If you didn't have one of those, you could use a pry bar or a screwdriver and just tap on the edges anti-clockwise to try and remove that sleeve. You need to be careful though that you don't damage any of the collars when removal. I'm going to put my 1/2 inch on that now. Put a cap like this on that, and then I lined this mark here just so it's easy for reinstall. Cap is now back down. Make sure the mark down here lines up with that mark down there. There to there. This cap is under a lot of pressure, so you'll probably have to have a long 1/2 inch to put it down. It's going to be very, very tight. It's going to be difficult if you don't have the tool doing these particular ones. Other ones you can get away with a lot easier, but on these models they are very tight going down. It was tight coming out, but getting it back to that mark, a lot of pressure is required, so without the right tool on this one it would be very difficult. I've everything now back together. The clip is now in place. This is put back on as well, and so are the hoses, and I have the electrical connector fitted. I have the vehicle running, and I'm just checking for any leaks, see if there's any issues there, which is not. So this job is now complete. I just need to put on this cap and in the seat, and I'll be able to give it back to the customer. So it's all put back together now, everything is running, the seats are back intact, and it's all good to go. This is the tool for removal. It's a Ryco one. The kit is, that's the part number should you want that. I will link anything in the description that I can find that is suitable. And that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please like, share, comment and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.